Okay, ang Lodi. Samahan niyo ako at panoorin natin yung shooting from high ready. 7 meter, 10, 15 hanggang 25 meter. Ito na, sabay.
Hi, ready! Hi, ready! Wala si Porto eh, hindi lang nagsama yung bala. Hawak, sun guard! Stand by!
Lit ka!
Habol ka pa ha, the place. Hi, ready!
Oo, kita mo.
On your right. Safety ha, on your right. Naka-safety ka. Walk. Right, turn about. Atras ka konti. Yan sa may tubig.
Palayo ng palayo. Tayo.
Okay, ready? Two body shot. Hi, ready? Ready? Two body shot.
From high ready.
Hi, ready? 50 on your right. On your right. Walk. Right turnabout.
Ito, si Kalawiti.
Ready? Stand by. Hi, ready? Another two body shots. Stand by. Hi, ready? On your right. On your right. Ay, sumba ka ha. Oh, nag-walk ka na kaagad.
Proceed, 15 meter.
Ito Porto ha. Walk. Sobra-sobra na yung mo. Sobra-sobra pa yung... Right, turnabout. Okay. Two body shot. Stand by. Hi, ready. Two body shot. Hi, ready. On your right. On your right. Walk.
Hilingan mo 1-6 ha.
Right, turnabout.
Kailangan pumasa ka dyan 1-6. Highlight ka pa naman.
Stand by.
25 meter. Tago na.
Ready.
Malit ka na naman.
Stand by. Last two body shot. Okay, everybody kneel down. Your weapon. Remove magazine. Tungo, para makita namin.
Okay, clear. Sarap.
Okay, tayo. Okay, score.
Tingnan natin.
Steady mo na muna yan ha.
Tignan natin kung naigo. Ito mga lodi from 5, 17, 15, 24 meters hanggang 25 meters mga idol. Tison lang tayo.
9, 10, 11.
Magaling na.
11 alpha. 1, 2,
Snappy mga lodi.
6, 7, 8 bravo.
Matama na talaga yung inahasan natin. Bye bye mga idol.
11, 7.